Hello friends, this is Yana Smakula. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video showing you a couple of new items from Spellbinders. I just picked up my package from the post office and I had to open it right away because I knew that there were some new goodies from Spellbinders and also from Spellbinders shop. So some of these items are not Spellbinders brand, but items that Spellbinders now has available in the Spellbinders shop. So, you know, I'm excited. I'm super excited. I love to watch videos like this, by the way. So I thought to myself, hey, maybe you guys enjoy watching videos like this as well. So immediately after opening the box, I went to my craft room and here I am. So here's a look at the items. I have all the items here on my desk and I'll give you a quick overview of the things that I got. So first of all, I don't know, let's look at the sealed storage box. So I have 2 of those and these are absolutely fantastic because I use them to store my wax seals. I also use them to store my wax beads, my markers, and I use them if I travel and I need to demo. Let me grab one. So these are the 2 boxes that I already have and that I have already filled with wax seals. This one's super heavy because it has all of the seals here. One is missing because I was making some wax seals. So these are super fun because, first of all, they give you a neat storage solution. I do have a video showing these, by the way, in detail. And you can also customize them. You can take the dividers out, like here, so you can fit your pens, or you can fit a handle, or you can put your wax beads. So perfect little storage, and I love these, and I knew that I needed more, so 2 more are now here. Next up, I have the Archival ink cleaner because, well, you've all seen how dirty my BetterPress is. Let me show you. Here, this is my BetterPress system. It is super dirty. I tried using some cleaners from my stash. It did not work. Finally, I tried acetone here. It did work, but it also removed the the printed lines. So I'm so glad that this came because I can now finally clean my BetterPress system and let's hope it works. Well, yeah, it's picking up some ink. It's gonna take some cleaning. It's gonna take some time and some effort to get this nice and clean, but you can see like the tip is already dirty. And I can also use this to clean my BetterPress plates because let's be honest, I've not cleaned my BetterPress plates once. Well, because I did not have the cleaner. They still BetterPress fine. I mean, they work just fine. Actually, let me show you one. You're getting a super early sneak peek, but I mean, come on guys, can you see how dirty this is? There's even, well, not on this one, but on this one, there's even ink on the other side because I was kind of playing with it. Yeah, so my plates are super dirty and I'm glad that I finally have this so that I can clean my BetterPress and my plates. Next up, we have the sealed wax seal stamp adhesive circles. And what are those? These are little adhesive circles. They're adhesive on both sides. So you have a little tab. You peel it off. You stick your wax seal onto that. Let me just grab one. I have this tray with some seals that I've already made. Gotta take these out because you're getting a sneak peek of the December club seal from Spellbinders. So let's just find a pretty seal. This one, for example, or I don't know. Yeah, I kind of like that one. So you take your seal, so you pour your seal onto the silicone mat, then you take it off. Actually, this one's not good. Let's do this one. And it doesn't have adhesive on the back. Obviously, you want to stick it onto an envelope. So you just stick it onto the adhesive circle. And the size of the circles is perfect to fit behind your wax seal. And now you have a sticky seal. See? Like I have sticky on the back, so I can now stick it onto a card or onto an envelope, and I'm good to go. These have been around for quite some time. I have not been able to get them, so I'm super excited that they have finally arrived, and now I can start using them for my projects. That's gonna make using wax seals super, super easy. Next, let's look at this. So Spellbinders now has this gorgeous, and I do mean gorgeous, clear acrylic tape dispenser. This is perfect for the best ever craft tape. Here is my best ever craft tape. This is the regular width. You just pop that inner piece in, pop that in like this, and boom, look at that. I mean, isn't that a pretty little thing? I think it's gonna make such a cute little decoration for my desk. Now there are two other widths of the best ever craft tape. There's the thin and the wide best ever craft tape. The thin one will fit, the wide one obviously will not fit. You can also, oops, I'm dropping things. You can also use this for, you know, other washi tape or other tape. It's just a cute little dispenser. I'm thinking I might put a sticker over here to cover that, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, next is this storage tin from Ranger. So this tin, I'm sure you guys have all seen this, but I haven't. So this is the storage tin for the Ranger alcohol ink, but it actually fits perfectly the Spellbinders Better Press re-inkers. So here I have my re-inkers. These are all the colors that Spellbinders has at the moment. So you can see I still have plenty of room here. Well, there's also one more. There's Tuscan. I forgot to put that one in. So I have plenty of room for more re-inkers. And by the way, more Better Press ink colors are coming. So stay tuned for that. So if you are looking for a cool storage solution for your Better Press inks or other bottles like this, this is a really cool little storage tin. It locks, so it's not going to pop open, and you can just, you know, pop it in a drawer, put it on a shelf, whatever you want. Love it. Next, I have the new glitter cardstock from Spellbinders. So I have the 3 new colors. There is the champagne, pretty, so pretty. There is silver, and then there is gold. Let's open this up and take a look. Who does not love glitter cardstock, especially around the holidays? Let's take this out. Okay, so it feels super thick. It does say that it is 320 grams, so pretty thick. Let's rub my hand. It does not shed, you guys. This is perfect. I am 100% sure that this paper is die cuttable because it does not feel synthetic in my hands. I feel like it's going to be a perfect staple in my craft room. I do use glitter cardstock, especially around the holidays. I mostly use gold. I will probably use a lot of the champagne. Silver, good to have, but not so much a fan. But the gold and the champagne colors are definite winners in my book. Next up, we have the Universal Plate System XL for die cutting machine. So earlier this year, Spellbinders released a Universal Plate System that was the 6-inch wide. Let me grab mine. So here is mine. I don't have all of the plates, but you guys get an idea. So this is 6-inch wide, and this is for the Platinum 6 die cutting machine. I feel it's compatible with other machines. I don't remember which machines off the top of my head, but it is compatible. So now there's also the Universal Plate System XL. Now this has been around for quite some time. I just haven't had the chance to get my hands on it. Let's open this up. I had to go find my scissors. This is actually quite heavy. I do have the original Platinum die cutting machine, the 8.5-inch machine. So this is going to be super, super handy for that machine. Okay. So this is the new wide one, and this is the 6.5-inch one. So you can see how much wider this plate is, or this system is. So if you have a large die cutting machine, you might want to consider getting this XL plate system. It's actually currently on sale. And by the way, Some of these items are on sale as well. There's Black Friday sale happening right now at Spellbinders. Loads of great deals. There are $1 doorbuster deals. Some awesome offers for you guys. Not gonna talk about that. You can check those out on the website, and I do have a link for those in my video description below. Along to there are also links to all the other products that I'm showing you in this video. Okay, next I have Teal extended cutting plates. So these, okay, let me get these out of the box. So these work with the universal plate system. So here's my smaller size system. I do have the pink plate here, but the teal ones are extended and they also work just fine. I do love the teal color. I mean, I love all the colors. I love the pink, I love the teal, it doesn't matter. As long as there's some color, I love it. Okay, next I have the watercolor cardstock from Spellbinders. Yes, Spellbinders now offers watercolor cardstock. And what's cool about this paper, kind of noticed that right away when I took it out of the box. There's texture on one side and there's no texture on the other side. So it's like you have the cold press and the hot press paper all in one. I don't know how to explain that any better because the cold press watercolor paper is textured, usually like more textured, and the hot press is a lot less textured. So this kind of looks like that. Let me see if you guys can see the texture. Okay, so this is the textured side, and this is the smooth side. I'm excited to try and, well, first of all, better press on it, glimmer on it. I don't think it's gonna glimmer well, especially not on this side. It probably will better press fine. It's also going to be fabulous for watercolor. I don't really do a lot of watercolor, but I now have the Karin brush markers. Let me grab them. So I now have the Karin brush markers in my stash. I don't have all the colors, just a handful of colors. And these are actually really nice. I've been using them a lot to watercolor some of my upcoming better press plate designs. And I really, really like them. They're super vibrant. So that being said, I'm excited to try them on the Spellbinders watercolor paper. Okay, and the last two products I have here are, there's the new Spellbinders paper trimmer. Now look at this guy. Look how big this is. I mean, yay, I did not expect this to be so big. Let's take it out of the box. There's a lot of info in the back, by the way. It says extension arm. The extension arm on the left side of the trimmer can be left closed to cut paper up to 6 inches. That's pretty much what I do all the time. Or opened up to measure paper up to 17 inches. Wow, that's a big sheet of paper. Ribbed feet, rubberized feet. Rubberized feet ensure the trimmer will stay in place while in use. That's awesome. Measurement, permanent grid printed on trimmer base for 1/4 inch measurements. Awesome, that's also what I use all the time. Easy to read measurements in both English and metric units. In Ukraine, we use the metric system, but I have converted. When making cards, I have converted to inches, and that's what I use, and that's what I know. Transparent cutting rail accommodates both cutting and scoring blades with room to store up to 2 at a time. Oh, that's pretty cool. The rigid cut rail ensures straight cut. Cutting, scoring. The cutting blade is gray. The scoring blade is cream. Okay. Oh, so there's the scoring blade. I did not even notice that. Yeah, it's right here. And the scoring blade is cream. Both carriages have notches that align with their blades for precision cutting and scoring. Okay, that's exciting. Now, you also can get the replacement cutting blades, and that's another thing that I have here. So I have the gray replacement cutting blades. So awesome. Okay, need to take this out. This is a pretty good box. I have to rip this open. Okay. Wow. Okay, the rubberized feet work. It does not move on my desk. Okay, let's extend the arm. Is it locked? Nope. Okay, so there we go. Opens up like this. Pretty neat. Okay. Now this opens up like this, which is pretty neat as well. Oh, so this is covered in plastic, and I guess you can remove that plastic. Okay, there we go. Ooh, nice. Very nice. I like this. I like this a lot. The trimmer that I currently use it's been discontinued, but I still love and use it. It's a mini guillotine trimmer. It's this one from Tonic Studios and Tim Holtz. It's kind of beat up, but that's what I use for cutting. But I'm excited to try this little baby for cutting paper. So these are the new things that I have in my craft room. Like I said, I was pretty excited to share them with you. I wanted to jump right in and share all the things, share my excitement, because, well, crafters are like that. We want to share all the pretty things, share the excitement, share the love for crafty products, and just have fun. Thanks so much for joining me today. Love you guys. By the way, the links are in the video description below. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I hope you're having a wonderful Black Friday week, because it is kind of a week. Yeah, I'll catch you again next time. Bye.